Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a captivating night scene and animate a skeleton in PowerPoint. Let's get started. First, let's set the ambience by changing the slide color. Simply go to Solid Color, then More Color. For a night scene, choose a dark blue color and click OK. You can select any color of your choice to suit your theme. Now, head over to Shapes and draw a circle. Duplicate it and position the duplicate slightly above and to the right of the original to form a crescent moon shape. Select both circles, go to Shape Format, and choose Subtract. Change the color of the crescent moon to light gray. Next, select a star shape from Shapes and place it in front of the moon. Adjust its color as desired. Duplicate the star multiple times, varying the sizes, and scatter them across the sky. Voila! Our night sky is ready to mesmerize. Now, for the 3D skeleton, go to 3D Model in PowerPoint and select the skeleton. Then navigate to Animation and apply a jump and turn animation to the skeleton. Boom! Your animated skeleton is ready to spook. For more intriguing, custom, educational, and business presentations in PowerPoint, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.